Good morning, guys. Got the Infraction Mega back out. Now it's no longer a Mega. We've put some 3S electronics in it. They're basically the stock electronics out of the Vendetta because the electronics in it are pretty well upgraded. I put the 2056S motor in it. I don't recall what the gearing is, but anyhow, we took it out for a run, guys, after we got the GRPs on there to see kind of like the baseline of what it is. And then we're going to start building this car, see if we can catch the Vendetta with it. I'll probably run it on 3S for a little while, but my intentions aren't to keep this just a 3S car. I'm probably going to leave that 2050 in there for a while and run this on 4, maybe 5S, and see where we can go with it with the stock body on it, and then probably switch it out to one of the Delta Plastics bodies and just keep running it like the Vendetta. It's an awesome platform. I love the 3S cars. Started out with the Typhon Mega, got it to 100 miles an hour, not on 3S, but more like 6S. That was back in the very beginning. But anyhow, guys, I'll show you the inside of this dude. It's just basic stuff. It's all stock still. This run we ran it on the 5,000 mAh Spectrum. It's got the stock 3S ESC in it, stock receiver, all that with the 2050 kV. It does have Mod 1 gear conversion and the GRPs, but everything else stock diffs, stock everything. So, and because it's going to be running on more power, I do expect to break other things. So as they break, we'll upgrade this car. The Vendetta I've left stock with the exception of the GRPs and the electronics, but it's still running plastic drive shafts, plastic diffs, gears, all that. So they're quite sturdy, but we're going to build this one a little different and see what kind of upgrades we need to put on it to give it a little bit more power and get the speeds up there. So anyhow, enough rambling on. Here's the baseline run, guys. Hope y'all enjoy it. Y'all have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one. Got the Infraction out. I haven't ran it yet since we put the 17 mil hexes on there. The last time I ran it, it had the stock Vendetta Infraction tires on it. This was the system that was in it when I ran it last time, but again, it's smaller wheels. So we're going to get a baseline with this stock 3S system in there. It does have the 2050 kV motor in it with the spur delete, or the slipper clutch delete. I do not remember what the gears are, but I didn't have to cut. I probably had to do some shaving on the inside to get them to fit, but the gearbox isn't cut. So anyhow, we're going to get us a little baseline here to see where it starts, and we'll go from there, guys. It is probably one of my favorite looking RC cars, especially with these white GRPs on here. It is really cool looking. I don't expect to set the road on fire with it. If I remember right, the last time I had it out, it took flight, flipped over. So I've trimmed the wing down in the back. We had to do a little trimming here just to get the GRPs to fit. So get it turned on, get us a little baseline on this dude. See what happens. Running it on 3S. So let's get her down here. Just got 103 with the Vendetta here, guys. So hopefully we'll get the infraction up over 100 at some point. I don't think that I'm gonna do it as a low voltage car, but we'll see. Zeroed out. Picking up on the car. All right. I don't know how far I need to go down. I think we'll call that good. Wait for the traffic. Here we go. It's full beans. Pretty straight, not too bad. It is still the stock remote too, so a little bit of rubbing I can hear still. The car will tell us where, but still picking up. That's 57, guys. 57 miles an hour. So not a bad baseline on 3S stock system. So we're going to call that good. Again, guys, if you are subscribed, thank you so much. If you're not, hit that subscribe button, guys. Give us a like, leave a comment. There'll be more to come for this. This dude's going to get faster. Like I said, we just got the Vendetta up to 103 on 3S. So I think I'm going to build this into a 4, possibly a 6S car, and see how fast we can get it. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll see you in the next one.